Welcome to the How to Zero Your Adder V2 Thermal Rifle Scope video. Let's get started. First, press and hold the menu button to open the scope menu. Select the Advanced Settings menu, then navigate to the Zeroing menu. Select Zeroing by pressing the menu button. First, select the zeroing profile you want to create. Now, set the zeroing distance to match your target. It's important to measure and accurately input this distance, as it will be used by the ballistic calculator to generate precise firing solutions. Now, choose the reticle type that best suits your preferences. There are 10 reticle options to choose from. You can also adjust the reticle color to match your preferences. Now that you've selected a reticle, it's time to zero the optic. Start by navigating to the Zoom menu and increasing the zoom until you have a detailed view of your target and can clearly see bullet impacts. You need a precise aim point to zero your optic. For this video, we are using a thermal-sensitive polymer target and will use bullet impacts as aim points to zero the optic. Our first shot was too high to allow for a follow-up shot, so we will aim lower to create a useful aim point. Now, we will use the second impact as our target and take another shot. It may be helpful to increase the zoom for a clearer view of the impact points. Now, navigate to the Freeze Screen menu. While keeping the reticle on the impact point, activate the Freeze Screen feature by pressing the menu button. Once you have activated the Freeze Screen feature, navigate to the X and Y adjustment menu. Press the menu button to activate it, then begin adjusting the reticle position to match the second impact point. Turn the dial on the top turret to precisely position the reticle over the second impact point. Once you have set the X and Y axis, it's a good idea to record the X and Y position of your optic. This can be useful if you ever need to reset your optic, allowing you to return it to zero without having to repeat the entire zeroing process. Once you have positioned the reticle on the impact point, exit the zeroing menu and turn off the freeze screen feature. Now, take a follow-up shot to confirm that your reticle position has been correctly adjusted. Now that we have confirmed the reticle is zeroed, press and hold the menu button to save the settings and exit the settings menu. Your optic is now zeroed and ready to go. Happy hunting, and thanks for choosing AGM.